Okay, we're going to go over our choreography. We're just going to use a drum beat right now, and after we go over the whole choreography, we'll use the real music. So remember, you're starting with the outside foot, you're going around in a circle, and you're using your belly dance step together step foot pattern. And we do that 4 times. Then you go right to your hip lift position. See, the foot is on the ball in front and the heel stays up. And we're hitting the beat with our hip lifts. We go 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do our front and back step sideways 3 times, starting with this foot. And the arms are just down. And after you do 3 of the grapevines or the front and back foot patterns, you're going to do your isolation section. So that's 2 hips on each side. Lift, 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 shoulder roll, and then a rib lift, and 2 drops. And then you repeat the isolations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 isolations, and after you finish the repeat, you immediately turn and go around your circle again, starting from the top. So you just finished, and then you start with this foot. Three and 4. Here's our hip lifts. Hip, foot, hip, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. Pose. So wherever you are in the circle, you're going to now turn to face the back, and the back is the part that's opposite from the audience. So if that's the audience in the mirror, we're going to now turn and go this way. So we're starting with our right foot again, and we're going to do a zigzag floor pattern with our step together steps. So you're going to frame your starting leg like this. So it's not like this, but like this. And our figure 8s and down, and down. So we're going down, out, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we repeat our travel step. 3 and 4. Now you step into your big hip circle. Bring the left foot in. 3-step turn, and then bow. Always bow, and then exit.